Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the entry point offer and specifically the ungated offer and how do you design the ungated offer. Now, what are these ungated offers? Now, these are all the information that you have provided to your audience with no details of personal information being asked in return. So basically, whatever you have provided is absolutely free. Key over here is no risk is being involved for your prospect, and second, value is being provided absolutely free with only the investment of time being asked from your prospects. So here basically you're providing value to your target audience in the form of content marketing and advertising to educate your target audience with respect to your product, your service, or yourself as a brand to reduce the risk of your target audience. This type of offer is generally given in the form of videos, blogs, podcasts, infographics, so on. Here, the value that you give to your audience is not decided by the purchase done or the contact details of your audience. That means there is no form filling being done. In simple words, ungated offer is an offer without any gate, where you are simply increasing visibility and trust of your audience. Now we're going to talk about what kind of a value is generally provided via ungated offer. So these are basically three: educational, inspirational, and entertainment. Now coming to educational offer. Generally in YouTube, the questions that you generally search, like for example, how do you drive? How do you cook a certain recipe? Or how do you increase the revenue of your business? So on. Today, in the world of digitalization, all kinds of educational videos, be it related to law, AI, automation, health, or even learning for kids, are all available online. And these are all available with good qualitative content. So generally people are seeking information and knowledge online. B is entertainment content. Now today, in the world of stress and anxiety, if people get something or the content which makes them laugh loud or get engaged, which makes them happy, and all that which will be remembered. Although all this not necessarily have to be very funny. Now, if you have seen advertisement of Gecko from Geico, so advertisements like these, they provide entertainment content and they try to put across some message and at the same time are entertaining the audience too. Now next is your inspirational content. Now these are the content with which people feel connected to. These are the content that helps the consumer to imagine that a particular product or a service, how it is going to change or transform his life. Here a message is being perceived by your audience and that message is of must have. Items of weight loss business, beauty products, and so on. All these kind of businesses tap onto this content. The key over here is to basically target the sentiments or the pain point of the audience and make them feel important and valued and give them a feel-good fact at the end of using this category of product. Thank you.